Welcome to our YouTube channel Navin Raj at Science here. Today I am going to explain you about one of the main laboratory equipment that used to see the microorganisms. Can you guess what is that equipment used in the laboratory to see the microorganisms? That is nothing but microscope. So in this video you are going to see and you are going to learn about the microscope, how to handle the microscope, there are proper ways, and about the parts of the microscope, and each part I will explain what it does the function. So let me go first how to handle the microscope in proper way. Suppose first I am going to explain incorrect ways to handle the microscope, incorrect ways. So I will take the microscope. So this is a microscope. So this is a compound microscope I am holding right now. First I will teach you incorrect ways the many students will do, how to handle it correctly. Suppose here is a microscope. You want to take this microscope one place to another place. So what you can do is incorrect ways, see very carefully. The many students will lift the microscope like this and they will go one place to another place. Though this is perfectly incorrect way. Even some students will hold like this down. So this is also incorrect way. Then what is the correct way then? So first remember, here is a microscope. You need to take one place to another place. So let me explain the correct ways. The right hand should be in the handle of the microscope and lift it, and left hand should be at the base of the microscope, and like this you have to take one place to another place. So this is a proper way to take microscope, to lift the microscope, and you can take one place to another place. Okay, now let me discuss parts of the microscope. One by one I'll show the parts and also I'll tell the names. So first we'll go with the eye lens. So this is an eyepiece. You can see here properly, this is 10x. We call it as an eyepiece. So this is eyepiece where you're going to look your specimens. So this is eyepiece. Remember this 10x. And next one, this part, whatever you are seeing, here to till here. So here to till here, this is tube or tube body of the microscope. Next, these two knobs you are observing, whatever the knobs. So the topmost, the bigger one is, this is coarse adjustment, and the smaller one will be the fine adjustment. You can see here this fine adjustment knob, and this one is coarse adjustment knob. And this part, whatever seeing, this cross, this is a handle of the microscope. Like this you can hold the microscope, and this is the handle of the microscope. And whatever seeing the joints here, these joints, here also one joint is there, and here also one joint is there. So these are inclined joints, so that you can incline the microscope according to your height. So like this you can incline the microscope for your convenience. And next we'll come to the stage of the microscope, whatever you are seeing. So this is the till here, this is a complete stage of the microscope. And these two, whatever seeing, so these are the, you can see, you can take out. So these are the clips of the microscope. You can place the slide with the help of these clips like this. I'll show you. This is your slide, for example, and like this you have to place the clips. These clips are used to hold the slide. And this one, these are the objective lens, which are different capacity. One is at 45x and other one's 10x, and even up to 100x you can zoom it and you can see the detail of specimen. You can take out this like this. For suppose it is 45x And if you want to replace with 100x, simply you can take out one lens and place like this. This is a 100x lens. Like this you can place it, and you can observe the specimen very clearly. So these are the lenses, objective lenses, and it will rotate. So this one is a rotating, so you can change according to your need. So one is 10x, 45x, 100x, like that many times you can zoom the specimen and see. So next we'll move to, this is very important part. You can see this one adjustment is there. So this particular part we call diaphragm. So diaphragm especially you can use where there is a less light or more light. You can control the amount of light entering through the microscope, and this is a part where you can control the amount of light. So this is called diaphragm. And next we'll move to, this one is light source. So this mirror will capture the light for your specimen, and for a few microscopes which run on the electricity, they have the bulbs. So even you can turn on the bulb as a light source and you can observe the specimen. But right now with me we have only the mirror which acts as a light source, and this one last is base of the microscope. So you can see this one is base of the microscope. So let me summarize one more time. So this one is eyepiece, this knob is coarse adjustment, fine adjustment, handle of the microscope, body tube of the microscope, and these three lenses are objective lenses. These are the clips. This is a stage, and here it is diaphragm. You can control the amount of light, and this is a light source. Mirror is a light source, and finally this one is the base of the microscope. I hope now you understand the parts of the microscope and what are its functions, and even how to handle it in proper way. So if you want to get the knowledge about the science and scientific facts about, keep watching our channel, that is Naveen Raj at Sanchia, and you can enhance your scientific knowledge. Thank you very much.